I think that everybody has to play a part. Good health and safety leadership does not happen by chance. Everybody has a role, as I said earlier on, and that is the relationship between contractors, whether they are suppliers of goods or services, the leaders of the organisations who set the tone and the direction and set the standards and are ultimately responsible, but also it's about the engagement of the workforce and the important role they play. Each party has a role to play, and without each party playing their role, you fail. And certainly leaders and the contracting organisations who think that by selling out or sending out their business that they're actually going to achieve success, they are sadly mistaken. One of the things about major hazard risk control is that you do best to eliminate it at the design phase, and actually that means that you should be engaging with your contractors about the plant and equipment and the services you supply before you actually start thinking about your activity properly, because it's at that point you can work out how best to eliminate some of the hazards rather than just control them. I think actually it's interesting because expansion, as well as presenting a challenge, actually also presents some opportunities, because I don't think anybody should be sufficiently complacent to think that the particular culture that they have in one part of the organisation is any better. And so actually by expanding in organisations there's actually an opportunity to learn. The challenge, as you say, then becomes actually winning the hearts and minds of people, and for me that comes back to what I said in the conference. It's about leadership setting direction. It's about a recognition that there are leaders at all levels in the organisation, including at the shop floor, and the workforce must absolutely have a key role in influencing what happens in their organisation. So the challenge here for the organisers and the challenge here for everybody who's participating is that they must all commit to going away and doing something differently to improve the way in which they operate.